George, is this therapy? Is this show therapy for you?
Well, I think TV is therapy and movies and escapism of the things that we enjoy in our lives. I was watching All in the Family yesterday, and in father-daughter relationships, in family relationships, there's breaks. I mean, there's issues with my real grandmother that I never got to reconcile, and even in the divorce, Mayan and I went years without talking, and it was very difficult to be able to find somebody that you could share your emotions with, knowing, that this was maybe the most difficult time in my life. And Arsenio Hall was going kind of through the same thing. And he told me to hang in there, that they come back. And the idea that there are fathers out there and family members who have sons and daughters, whether the preference of how to live their lives or how to identify themselves, or just in divorce or whatever, that are kind of maybe excluded from the family. And it just might take that first step that most older people, father parents, have pride. Just don't close your heart to anything, and just remember that it's the most precious thing that you have is this child. And I think this show can be therapy most definitely, Jack.